Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Swift Puff Chevron stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, the double crochet decrease, and how to make the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 12 plus 2. I have already made 38 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's going to be 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Skip the first stitch in this row. You're going to make a double crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches. Now make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. These 3 double crochet are going to be our first side. So we're going to be making sides, peaks of our chevron stitch, and then valleys of our chevron stitch. Into the next stitch, we're going to be making our first peak. Make 5 double crochet into this next stitch. Now we're going to be making another side. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. So now we're ready to make our first valley. You're going to skip 2 stitches and then into this next one we're going to be making a puff stitch. And that was a 4 yarn over puff stitch. Now we're ready to make our next side. Skip 2 stitches and then into each of the next 3 make 1 double crochet. So you can see how everything is looking from here. We have a side of 3 double crochet, a peak of 5 double crochet, side of 3. We have our valley with our puff stitch, and then another side of 3 double crochet. So we're going to start repeating from this peak. Into the next stitch, make 5 double crochet. Into each of the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. We're ready to make our next valley. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make that 4 yarn over puff stitch. Skip 2 stitches into each of the next 3, make 1 double crochet. Ready to make our next peak, make 5 double crochet into the next stitch. Ready to make our next side, make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. Once you get to the end of your row and you only have 3 stitches left, you're going to make a double crochet decrease over these 3 stitches. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're going to be making 1 single crochet into each stitch across. When you get to the valleys of your chevron stitch, I did want to let you know that you're going to make a single crochet into this stitch right here, but then you're going to skip this little loop right here because it's just joining these from our last row. It's like an extra loop that was added in between here. So you're going to skip this one. You're going to start working 1 single crochet into each of the next ones. I think this can be a little bit confusing because of this puff. It made this little extra loop. So skip this one, work into this one. So same thing here, we have that little extra loop. You're going to work that single crochet into this puff stitch, skip that loop, and then you're going to keep working 1 single crochet into each stitch. When you get to the end of your row, also make 1 single crochet into those last chains at the end of this row to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Swift Puff Chevron stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.